Hi guys, I'm Sanam and welcome back to another Tipsy Joe production. Today I'm gonna make you an apple mango fizz. But for that, first we need to start by thinly slicing our apple. Let's go and do that. Here I've got all my apples. As you can see, they are quite thin. What you need to do, you need to put them all together. Let me do it here. To make your rows basically. Then what you need to do, cut them in half. Oops. What am I doing? And start rolling. Ta-da! I've got my centerpiece. I hope it looks nice. I don't know if it's visible, but it's something like that. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drop it in my basically glass. Something like that. It looks really nice. Now we need to make the cocktail itself. For that, let me first clean up my mess and I'm gonna go and come back with my ice. I forgot my ice. I'm back. I've got my ice. So let's go and make our cocktail. To do that, you need a shaker for this one. I'm gonna add 45 ml of vodka. Make it 60 actually. Got all over my chicka. Then I've got my apple and mango juice. You can use a mango puree or apple puree, which will intensify the taste. I don't have it, so I'm just going to use the juice for now. That's 45. $60. Then I will just add some dashes of my lemon juice. You can squeeze half a lemon inside your drink if you want that freshness, but I'm going to use that one. And then you need to fill up your shaker with ice. A couple more, one more. And start shaking. Make sure it's closed and shake. Perfect. Oh, I can't open it now. Ugh, no, it's open. And I'm gonna strain it. And I'm gonna strain it over my beautiful apple flour. So let's go. Ready? I'm gonna keep it like that so you'll see. And I'm gonna top it off with some soda water. And here's your mango apple fizz. And it looks lovely. I need to come and show it to you. Ooh, I hope it's visible, I don't know. But now give it a taste. Let's taste it. Wow, that's quite nice. I really enjoyed it. Maybe I needed a bit more lemon in it because I like that zesty flavor. It's a bit too sweet for my taste, but it's nice. If you like sweet cocktails, you should definitely give it a try, or add more, squeeze more lemon in. So if you like this cocktail, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you loved my flower arrangement and we're the Tipsy duo. And we're gonna come back with more fun cocktails and mocktails. Bye bye for now. Cheers.